What if you could enjoy something creamy, crunchy, and satisfying while staying on track with your fitness goals? I've got 2 recipes coming up that check all the check boxes because I'm sharing both the yogurt bark and cucumber tzatziki that are perfect for snacking smart. Have a sweet tooth but want to keep it healthy? This high-protein yogurt bark is your answer. It satisfies cravings and fuels your day. Here's what goes into this powerhouse snack. Non-fat Greek yogurt and coconut yogurt for creaminess. Full-fat yogurt makes it creamy, but if you're keeping fat low, you can mix non-fat Greek yogurt with plant yogurt of your choice. A splash of maple syrup and vanilla essence for natural sweetness. Add your favorite sweetener, maple syrup, honey, or stevia or monk fruit. Just be mindful of extra sugars and calories. A scoop of your favorite plant protein powder. Greek yogurt is filling and full of protein and probiotics, perfect for appetite control and weight management. You can use full fat for richness and satiety, or swap to a non-fat yogurt if you want to cut calories while keeping protein high. Mix your base well, pour it into a pre-chilled glass container lined with parchment paper and smooth it out. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of cashew butter. Swirl lightly with a spatula for a gorgeous marbled effect. Adding a hint of nut butter will always help for great texture and flavor. Top it with a 1/4 cup of colorful fruit of your choice. I'm using blueberries, kiwi, and mango, and just a light sprinkle of granola. Loving these healthy snack ideas? Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy high-protein recipes. Close the lid tight. This keeps out freezer odors and freeze for at least 4 hours. Feel free to get creative with a variety of fruits, nuts, and toppings. You can truly customize this into your own macro-friendly snack. But a quick heads up, these delicious extras do carry calories and fats, so it is key to keep your portions in check. That way, you stay balanced and on target with your macros. Let's talk benefits. Probiotics from yogurt, protein packed from Greek yogurt, plant protein, and nut butter, customizable toppings for vitamins, minerals, and crunch. This whole yogurt bar is about 544 calories, giving you 39.5 grams of protein, 32 grams net carbs, and 27 grams of fat. Cut it into 6 pieces. Each is about 91 calories with 6.6 grams of protein. That's about 28% protein, 44% fat, and 28% carbs, balanced enough for a high-protein, macro-friendly snack. It's a refreshing, high-protein summer treat that's a perfect post-workout or a nourishing midday snack. Try it, love it, and let's crush those fitness and health goals together. Craving something cool, tangy, and protein-packed this summer? This cottage cheese tzatziki bites are your perfect match. Refreshing, creamy, and ideal for a healthy snack or lunch side. Here's what goes into that creamy dip. Half a cup of cottage cheese and half a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt for richer texture, smoother flavor, and double the protein. A drizzle of half a teaspoon of olive oil for healthy fats and 1 teaspoon of tahini for nutty depth. We have salt, pepper, garlic powder, dried or fresh dill, finally, half a cup of grated cucumber, squeezed dry for that satisfying crunch, and a splash of lime juice. Stir it all up. It's literally done in a minute. Check out the nutrition profile. A full batch of this dip is just about 274 calories, 29.5 grams of protein, 13 grams of fat, and 8.6 grams net carbs. Split it into 2 servings. Each is about 137 calories with 14.7 grams of protein. That's a perfect snack for weight loss and muscle support, full of protein, low in calories, and packed with clean ingredients. I love dipping cucumber slices, but feel free to use celery, baby carrots, or sweet peppers. It's always a win. It's creamy, tangy, savory, and loaded with protein from the dairy mix, good fats from the olive oil and tahini, plus vitamins and fiber from fresh veggies. So easy, so delicious, and incredibly versatile. Try today and let me know your favorite veggie pairing. Tried one of these snacks? Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. Can't wait to see you in the next video with more easy, healthy recipes.